Hey tubers!
Twitching Hill Earthship.
Ah, we got a roof on. We finally finished the last sheets. A few months ago we started looking into buying tin for the roof, and we came up with one long length and then a short length, but we had this horrible gap in the middle, and typically what builders do is they put a little bit of flashing across that. We thought our Earthship deserved something a bit better than that, and we didn't know that there was anything out there. So we started having a look on the internet, and there's a new start company that had started up called FormFlow.
All one word, by the way.
So we gave them a ring, and we said, want to hear a bit more about your bent corrugation, because these guys were claiming they could bend corrugation to 90 degrees. And they said, yeah, it's true, only 90 degrees. I said, what about 120 degrees? Because that's what our ship is. And they said, no, they haven't got the tooling yet. So I explained what we were doing, and fortunately, so lucky for us, they got excited. Well, at least they seemed to get excited.
Matt, who's the director of FormFlow.
So he rang us back up and he said, look, we've got a job in the future that's going to require 120 degree bend, but what we'll do for your building is bring the whole job forward and go out and make this tooling to do this job. I don't know, it would have cost them thousands, but they did it. They did it, and then he said, and what I'll do as well is I'll put it on a trailer and bring it over for you. And that's from Melbourne, so that's the other side of Australia. So he then drove it over to help us
learn how to put it up,
put the first few sheets on. And now I will show you what we're talking about. So this is one of the leftover panels from the front of the ship. Check that. That's the bend they gave us. Better light. If that's any better. Look at that. So it's absolutely seamless, and in the bending process it doesn't even distort the paint. It's quite phenomenal. So now we've got a completely sealed roof, and I mean completely sealed. We're absolutely amazed by it. We'll just take you up on top of the roof, give you a look on top of the roof. So we're not in cyclone region, but we decided to put cyclone screws on, which you'll see. Just because they look awesome, and they also seal really well. And there it is. And that's it. That's our roof. That's like the crown jewel on the front of the Earthship. So that's where we're at the moment. Next stage is going to be the ceiling on the inside, so catch us for that one. Cheers.
And just don't forget FormFlow.
Oh yeah, FormFlow.
FormFlow. And Matt's the guy that to speak to.
There was only one downside to it, and it was that it wasn't my idea. That was it. That's the only downside to their product. Anyway, cheers.
We've got our roof.
Earthship.
Thanks. Bye.
Jurien Bay. Cheers.